用人民币汇款，可以选择熟悉的方式来收款。
Give me the mix. Share the video. touch the music. You got it.
E questa?
È ACI per l'espressore universale, non c'è in USA.
Share the video, guys. Power tap on it. I see I watch you power tap. Power tap.
Dentro e fuori casa.
See, you shape to dance. As I dance, you power tap. Now just a look. How they pay you? If you know this structure on your hand, proper power tap.
La pestatura rustica.
Oh, what? Yeah, okay, yeah. What? Oh, but we have to eat. Wait, let's go more. I'm going to go back. What
Guarda, eu vou
What's up? I'm actually peace today. You get my point now. Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better stuff. Please share this video. You get why. A very quick one. I don't waste time with this broadcast. Nikas and let's move on. Oh! I'm going to get a video now, guy. Ni vi so egbe no do house on the way. This video, ni vi so egbe all the way as usual. Everybody really collecting voice. In every nonsense, there's sense. Oh, I thought for national peace to reign. First of all, away. All right, my people, I greet you all with better still water for national peace to reign. First of all, straight down to this, my boy, when he cry. Greetings to you all, my beautiful people, EV Africa head. Oh, that's my EV one of America, or our top for national peace to reign. I will say I must greet you. Road. Greet you all, Wayato. Now let's go straight to, because I want to talk about this idiot. Bubu Bunozo again. On est dans donc bien dans les miens on doit sauver média donc bien nous voyez on a mis on doit sauver média in the stand you know be we ne o ma yet connect on back. That's one thing. That one matter just that one matter on one side. Then for the other kukumba no bobo no gwale ke no hoyi o so awe menzo we nwe organic we breast milk industry. But gonna call and come make you sit down. That one we don't know her left from her right. She's confused. That's one woman on this social media that has been confused. That is a use and dump. Also, whereby they use and they dump palm. Since when they dump palm, since we sort of water ministry dump palm, she begin to cry for media. She don't bragado. She turned to prophetess, prophetic. At the end of the day, go no go come back. After 28 years in Europe, or you in one room, or 19 war. Or you big or baby France, big or baby Italy, baby Spain, baby go on your Scandinavia country, on your Czech Republic, on your bash with Czech Republic, even at now, on end there with HIV. You get the point now, on end there with HIV. Oh, we are not engaged in Africa shop. On a medically, you're going to have women. I still have the video. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know. When I hear all this story, between this for social media all these years. It's so shameful. You can't shame the shameless because why? Where is your life today? Where is your life today? How is your life today? Or mama beer at your age, or mama beer now, a 50-something years old woman, or more woman, you understand? And then you go dumb money now, you couldn't get that money and go and buy. It's very easy. A benya, a bero, that's another problem. I'm going to have a document now. You're in Nigeria, you're there in Nigeria, when you have it there, you understand? You understand? How they go and die or and the case of your IVF, I've been IVV. You understand? When I've been Zoro gay as Zoro Gogo. As they don't now, the way your life has civilized to the extent that their daughter many abortion of their girl woman or your philanthropy tube has been cauterized. You got my point now. You can only enjoy Bola, but you cannot manufacture baby because your reproductive system has been zanzalized. You get my point now. Your vulva that leads to the philanthropy tube that passes the spermazole to the reproductive system, which is the yolk or the egg. You get my point now, has been zanzalized due to excess abortionization. You understand me now? Go no go. Come no come. Uragbon, ureimi, uwen gwagmoye. Arakmara say adogbe ni aji. Sago me so we then you understand me now. Arakmara say adogbe ni aji emeji. No really ukpo body let pick. Who have pen no really. How can you imagine? Urewe nerewe bo maso we no rewe bo. Sister we wara nyare wo nu ya regularly Esther doctor you be cool. Yes, because we there yeke my sister. O one ya wa there o e ba we yere one room. Ge Francomozo ron zuwa. No lawe bro there. Francomozo no mind me. Francomozo now I'm talking from my apartment. You understand? Zem ko ni na zeri street now. Then he has music like that. He doing. He has one music na ebo yen river na yan we e fact or e boy no why so one. Oh boy na so one. Awa be boy na one. You get my point now? We're not you care you amene. Uri you amene. Go. At the end of the day, we na gbage area gaji. Ana hene. Nigeria. Nigeriano. Hello? Hello? I'll go going. Is they busy right now? He make chance now what they busy. He did live video. He did live video. They busy right now. Family problem here. You get my point now. Now, how can you imagine you are like how many years? Oh, 1 year, oh, 2 years, ordinary 15 by 15. What that they wave your gidi. And when lagba ni yom, uye when feed them, ye mo kilo ya respect, ye mo kilo bupe, ni po ye pio, ni po de tereo, ya le ye me mo kilo, ya you pesi ni po ya si le ya la dian, all the name of 10 euro, are you no see the ni po la dian. Go no go konoko. Oni ma wes una gidi check public ya wa renew e wa ya get clear o go check public usewa il y check il y bonese il y Romania il y a gata people ya you pesu lo we na sile sister economy wa ya 15 minutes after 5, go no go, come no come. He motor will reverse. They bomber. Mama, what do I know? Confirm. Any other house, what all soon for national history. This is the only living us war. Osnamu Kobo, only barrier one. Mena Yerete, the king of us war. What bijou agmo. Been a bijou as always a woman. Nekwemu, of your hand, of your hand, no man can occur. What be you are, God don't look nothing and well again. Who were Bunuye, when we are Bunse, we no big again. Yeah, you see, a young boy, whatever for flatty. You may shopping more in Nigeria. Where is your own? Go, no, go, come. Yaga the muffin of Boy, social media. That is why you get at the muffin. What do I tell you what? Oh, one year, I was yet a pious you got or see the British governor, or the young woman will tell us stages all this way. Go, no, go, come, no, come. Yago Lako, number 2 document, Italian passport, Sweden passport, or where? All 100 by 100. I want one of you. I read one of what they will tell what a bullshit. Jesus. Our fun of a media. What are you guys now using your money to do? What are you amigo? Akataka. The lion and tiger combine together. Everyone were in Nigeria. Jesus is Lord. Unbelievable. So all of you whether they Europe since how many years they dog days. Oh, not build that for Bogo. I don't understand. No wait a minute. No, not just let me know. Well, let me verse this evening. So we don't get asked for Nigeria. The portion for the hotel where government give now. But I don't know what about shit? What we will give you? What we will give something? What we will give you? Whatever. Then he made it. So we're not in Nigeria. Umenwan 1 month. 300,000 why you lodge your apartment? Apartment yes around Nigeria. Who was this your body yebo? Why women in that one? Men not that men movie train. You see the reason why I told you guys in the kingdom of God overtaking is allowed. Every kind of sagbon, every one sopno, who bullshit to wazua. After many years in abroad, no bashago beg. Oh man, oh dog. He certainly blame me where I cannot see. Yet he blame me because why? Ebonatien we Nigeria okay ajabu. It's really worrying you. Uma can hogbo, Uma can go, Umeni we are ordinary kekena pair. Why how can you come a jando? You see the reason why I thought say now they see now finish now. Why we should not go insult now? Why we should not go the cost now? Why we should not go look now less? You see now you pay arowa. They must insult now. They must insult now, bro. How you go be jando? You wear maka go Naija, you go to taxi now error. Yes now error. Mo nedo ya yo. Mo menwa no munigo nedo ya yo. Mo menwa nedo ya yo. Mo menwa no munigo nedo ya yo. My ex-girlfriend, me not get document. She dey go Naija at the date. Me she dey live for house like this. We dey stay for house together like this. First year he go Nigeria. He dey jump from taxi to taxi. I call look and say, what kind of problem with this one? He hold Jando, jump back pardon. I say no shaking. Second year they go ask Mr. Domes Edo aka Eruwala. And I say go and collect one car for Castan sharply. ASAP. You know, my baby, you go Nigeria, you go taxi, don't make sense. You dey drive car for abroad, you use the work for Nigeria. Now they go and take one car. Big boy. You get my point now? Go and take one bastard car for there. I go pay. ASAP. On a yari or ya cruise Naija. Okay, I think the day we come out. You dey feel me so? Go and ask. Then when I stop keep on live video, now I bragging. When they brag, now what thing I do now they talk. I give you the location where you go and ask. I said 33 person here where I buy the car. My car will receive pay cash. You know it. We're not aware of me going on your son. You Nigeria, one got the motor, one got the private car, one got the government motor, number one you say. You might go back to Lakoko or work bash online all these years. Women moto, what you drive, so that you can far. As the long Nigeria, let's go to the court. Let's go to the court. I did not buy my car for Lagos there. Before me, the corner, the card already. Man, I they use my car, they go have friends. Everywhere go who they chest down. Now march down. Now. Even though now with the 80. Now car na ride you on. Fire down. So what be chaka bejo. If you're poking at chururu, otilo, you don't go. Then we're going to nila yeke. Make a day for your back. I don't understand why you. What did they suffer for abroad? What why they suffer? Inside snow, you inside snow. Inside sun, you inside snow. 8 hours work, 16 hours work. Sister Wale go away. What? Who don't when you so say now? I don't understand. Picking. Anybody where they plan wait for a picking. Now bad papa. Now bad man. Yes. The best achievement, the best plan you can plan for your children is giving your children a sound education. You are a madman. The best thing you can ever give to any child. You see many of our youth are killing themselves in Benin. This land belongs to my father. This land belongs to my forefather. My brother, you also buy your own. Buy your own. Imagine person there abroad. All your suffer for years for abroad. God bless you. You get documents. You they go Nigeria. You don't feel enjoy your money. You don't feel decide better car. See they pour for your body. They cruise. They go town. Enter beer. People say, "After people do not drink beer." That's your own nice shoe. It's they saw. Clear road. Go ahead to the 1 million for one night. Spend 1 million for me. After one flex. Greediness. Honorable. Ni kure wo boss. Iyanti dikia working. Iyan bi boy dikia we na. Iyan me we don't working. Iyan ibo gbo we don't Africa shop. Iyan ga gbe. Iyan ga ma. Iyan ga gbo. O han ki iyan dog e don't wo ni iyan eye gbe. Jandu. Nonsense. They will go to market the cheapest cloth where they want to wear. Ah, God, come on, cheap is say. Now here's your. And when they able to market, they better pass you. What we go to here? Spend that for your body. Spend that for your body. No one the gun, no one the car job. No man money. See, as that your good investment, not your good, correct. You know, don't cost something like that, but not be that. You know. I don't get women now, but now, if I die, I don't enjoy my money. Forget that. I don't do my money, I don't touch for life. Well, they will go back more. What if we don't do for just this year, this one, October 6 this year, go make 10 years we are there abroad. What I don't do to people for Nigeria, but we are don't help. We're not better 30 years in the moment where we're not that demon whatever you best you're not doing, bro. You're not doing. Kuwe or Atiti. None of you doing. Nobody you help. Nobody you rescue in difficulties. Nobody will rescue. That was nobody like it. At the end of the day, go no go. Why you are you have your magli? We are able to go to Atiti. Leave your way now. You are so over. Why your mates are making money, enjoying their money. Papa, I say Morocco. Why suffer we go? De better Morocco see. Smoke better ganja and your money killer. What anything we know say they give you joy. Take care for your body. Enjoy it to the fullest. You go work bare. You know the reason why? The same people, when they really come to the city, we're going to go bury one person for you. My own in-law, not here for go bury him. My own in-law. He don't let everyone else my in-law. So he married my cousin for Nigeria. Where is the guy today? You know the guy still they call on here? Do you know the guys they call on? Probably no. Or one at results. To buy food they eat, they go hard down. You know they eat like other people they eat. We feed the banana, man, after put beer for ground, small stuff. Push one carton of small stuff ground. 60 euro. Maybe they will learn Africa shop. After what? But this guy would like to drink that small stuff. He gets the money, not to not get the money. He prefer to go buy Peroni. 120. Small stuff at 380. 3 euro 80 cents. He prefer to go buy Peroni 120. That to drink small stuff for body. But if you buy my feet, drink like high bottle. That's no man. You understand? People like that. Now people always so wake up. So always so wake. Hello? Hello? I hear you. All right. Thank you. You understand? Someone will come over there. Someone will go. Oh, where more you don't fear me. Oh, you go. Oh, no, man. Now, what about you are? Oh, you open on Zedo. What can I do? No, so we never do. Oh, you open on Zedo. No, why you go? Ik maak work, but it's the princess. A princess Nigbiaga. Princess of Ireland. Are now what bijou à bon. Il est princesse Viens quoi. Viens quoi. Ouassou. Dickiness. Dickiness Olosho. Mamou Wano. Dickiness Olo Pleple Olo Wewe. What's the request now? Where he was it was name more about what I is a gonna one. It's a gonna say can wa. You know what? It's a gonna say then where I will the question. It's a gonna dickiness also Atiti. You want to be look back. Oh, how is the next person I'm going to pick out now from Highland? Christy Idiaboya. Get my point now. Christy Idiaboya is the next person I'm bringing out now. Larry Clifford, Clifford Idahosa. Osifo no zo agbono obola wegbe. Clifford. Wa ogisunu. We may take legal action. We may go to talk again. Wa fian wa gbo. Ba bo la wa gbe. Quick process. The president lawa wa lawa to asun. Una lawa dia. The second roto to asun. Ogo agbijwe. O go back go lale ameka what egimon gbeliwa. Why send igbegem. Igbegem. Why do you ever give me that? Why am I not? Could give me, boy. I go give me. Nonsense. Me time where I will be the rebel. But that Tina, Atiti, Emewa. I want Atiti, you will. Still on sea, or my boy. A dear boy, I know why. You get semi or Yahweh. A semi zoo, I will go. Oh, here I did the next book, Benny Yakubody. The devil you are Atiti, you are where one I don't my drink. I want you. Titi, see my guy, Franco Baresi, my you be. A money level on my they don't do this for us. People will get agility, will get vibes. They enter German. They don't cast everywhere for Bogo. When you get on a passport and get everything, no level for now. Wow. Carry passport, they work for abroad. No achievement for Bogo, no achievement for Ewebo. How can you be documented in abroad, working, having life contract, what you do what? You know if you buy where you stay. Who's that is the what? Why are boy in Nigeria? At the end of the day, no be boy. Only one so you want in Nigeria. In Nigeria, respect and kudos to all those who will say they achieve something. We get document for abroad, they achieve something. Oh wow, man, in Nigeria. I think the post over where. Come and post your ass. Post one thing where you don't achieve, post this way you abroad. One of your achievements where you get for life is where you abroad. You don't go bongo, carry your picky cup from Nigeria, document the collection for your hand. You don't get document, you don't go to Nigeria, come back. At the end of the day, vanity, nothing for you. And to sit down on social media, the social media. The money where the social media they pay, how far what you use and do. So all this my niggas where they make them for social media all this while. Nothing when I don't achieve for life. Who I did you? Then Facebook was I said, I can't make Facebook don't wuna. And we had very little talk. Facebook and a blog. People cash up on Facebook. Don't be say too bad. People they month like this, they collect $10,000 on Facebook. All those check all those content creators for Nigeria. Then brother Mike, they use Facebook this year, build house, build upstairs. You just say now one that they collect. Now doors. Not be dollar doors. People dead this place. Then I know they collect money like this. Say Alpha. And they get $4,000. I don't care it's a month. Person will collect $4,000. You don't get what you go use $4,000 do for Nigeria. Then you go see it's fact. It could be like you didn't see Saga the horse 2022, 2023. Saga the like, you be like boom. Big. All made they collect like block. You understand? That's why they mock enogie. I they wonder what enogie using money do. He hear what Becky boy ni. You understand? Me go tell like video like this for Facebook. And they get like 800 views when they view me. If I drop that video before 3 days, $100 don't enter. 150 don't enter. And no game when they get like 6,000 views. And many are big or big. You might ball. You understand? Because if I the way they get my own clear, now so they get your own clear. That's not knocking my shiver, you might knock. You understand? Or see about marriage, I beg you. I was like, what is going on here? You don't see me where I can do my marriage. I beg anybody money. No, no. Because you go to talk. I plan a talk. You go to talk now. You understand? You go to talk. You work any year, 1 billion we marriage. I'm work forbid. I'm a wise man. Cultural marriage, we will fine. Equal your cultural marriage. Oh my God, but Egbe the room, even Egbe no provided steady. That's the most important thing in marriage. Even the family want only if you're only young. Also, if you want to be vaccinated with your work, will be again. Pastor, I'm okay. It's not up to me. Yet we are not 20 years remembrance, 20 years anniversary of marriage, but you become it's your money, you know the way. That one is Sarah. You get my point now? Rubbish. Or I'm going to go over. Yeah, we're marriage, cultural marriage. Yeah, marriage in a moment. God forbid. So what's going to my how can you do abroad? You don't feel make up. God punish Pastor Clifford. God will punish you for deceiving the people in Highland. God punish you. How can you be a Pastor Clifford? You call yourself a man of God and you are sleeping with your member. God punish your man. Yeah. How can you be a pastor in Highland? You dey bug your member. You carry your wife. You carry your go put her for UK. That God will punish you. If I don't like Clifford, everybody has to. Everybody has to water. Everybody has to away. Oh, go and be Clifford. And you Clifford, you are better Clifford. If I don't like Clifford, everybody has to. Oh, you have five one. So should be there. Come on, one make us should be there. Now go know the coffee from Moscow. Yeah, where you are. More in fact, almost worldwide knows. Yeah, when you are assume for 15 minutes after 5. Don't when I can so go. This can so go, eh? Umanabaga, Gungwen. Oh, yeah, lion drag king. Lion is the king of the forest. It's a Kasogo. When Pastor Clifford Nabahu Kasogo. Which bush this man for commands? On a rare islander. No, my high. On a rare islander. Nephew islander. No Zua. God punish your man. But what are you? Oh, yeah, when I was soon. Every night I was soon. I was soon. Why are you? Nonsense. Who got back to Sada? Who got this way? Who got like who now was no back to Sada? Who got this way? What better? Ah, been a bijua. Get when you move. Here you are, one get it. And we ask no. Who you know we are in Maria? Who mark your mamma? Era when you say, who not go out dragging? Who not go out dragging? No bell. One young woman. One young will not go out dragging with Clifford. I go to Zua. I go Sekia. I go to Owa. No, we are Clifford. I go to back Clippy. I'm not going to do 40. When I'm at the 40. When I'm at Clippy. Who know where Clifford? If you were a bad boy. Oh, whenever one night, when I can't touch the Highland. For one night, pastor in Highland. If I want to go where? If I want to go water. If I want to go where? Oh, yeah, soon. Clip for four. Clip for four. Clip for what soon. Mama, we know. We just start. You got my point now. You know, we are here. You don't want to do that. You can't want to do that. Atiti no go, Mama, oh, let's say, Atiti no go, Christine, let's say, Atiti no go, Christine, let's say, Atiti no go, Umami, oh, Atiti no go, it will not say, Mare, Atiti no go, Tina, ya bekwa, Atiti no go, Una pata BC. Atiti no, mi amema, Sanera meke bera mega ma kwa mi adio ya o. Sanera meke bera mega ma kwa mi adio ya o. Sanera meke bera titi ma kwa mi adio ya do. Sanera meke bera titi o ama kwa mi adio ya o. Oh, no ma kwa mi ma mi no sa u na o menwe no se why gara. When was answered, I come and I dump you there. You got off your good. If I die, my daddy, that die or die. Everybody die. I was in the room with dog. They do get this. I hope happy young one. Oh, I die. Oh, every other when you are woman, or ya billion. Oh, gonna die, died of Eddie. Oh, Sanera me get better, yo. Sanera me get better, yo. You want to know what wicked be west way. Some single women in abroad, no people are too wicked. Okay, what is saying, man, I'm more than Atiti, while let them while let them you women are running. You are running from disease. You are running to marry Atiti because Atiti is hepatitis BC. Hepatitis BC is worse than HIV. More than hepatitis BC. That's why people are running from Atiti. Wow, now wicked. Women with their wow, now wicked. Sanera me get better, mega ma wo mi ado ya do. Sanera me get better, mega ma ko mi ado ya o. Oh, no ma ko mi ma mi no sa u na do. Oh. Emi eri ma gbe Atiti. Emi eri ma Atiti. Emi eri nu gbe mi o ma si se ni ko ma le luwe. Emi eri nu gbe mi o ma se ni ko ma le luwe Atiti. Atiti nu go Mama ga siwe aine Atiti nu go Mama ga siwe aine Atiti nu go You see your life? Atiti bu. When you are dying slowly, we kwezuo titi we me she me shani. My brother Maria we bodo suffer, area we bodo winner. You are want to ya we ne yokole di bare di e yore. You do talo. You understand? No very any person, you don't understand. The Maria we bodo winner. Even why we bodo wake away. Just like that. But the we even make criminal yari fali machine. I went to a summit. I said, please, can you please shop this night bola for me? He has a lot of business. He's going for a mission, for a missionary journey. He said, oh, you want to shop? He said, yeah. Put it in the family machine. In our Lord. I say, not take it with him, Mose, and when they sub, avec the bolozo, I would be over. Titi, why are you jealous? Eh, my when you see a bill here. What's up? Who were escaping bullets? You were once wanted as an excavate. Oh well, let it go. All the bullets saw within your body. When you take wrong, when you take escape, sass. Back below she will be Titi. Oh well, let the woo. Every other like we Papa, me, I work enter abroad. I work come. You get my partner. Echo make it by what it be my be not see your mobile and Alpha. See you guys in the next generation. I give me go. You mean when you're on here, oh not send it that one away. My wife, I'm going to die now. So see you till next generation. In that send it that one enough madam will be like Bilbia. Anybody that passed through the route before he left the house, he signed it that warrant. Be like people that go soldier at 50-50. Then you go, you come back, or you don't go stay sharp. You get my point now. Ah, what bijou. The man mohel batarena sea, as dangerous as that sea, I don't fear him. I shook my head, opened my two crocodile eyes, and let's go there. Nothing is up. It's up. If he said me, said everybody end down once and for all. Let's go. Many people end that way, but they better pass me 100%. Don't say too bad. They better pass me one abroad. Many people, when me I see crocodile, they sink. Their boat they sink. They look at their boat they sink like this. Eh? They get wife for abroad here. They get wife for abroad here. You understand? They build house for Nigeria. He has a visa fraud. They gather mind entirely there. And they look at they sink. Men know your way. Only one who go my pockets. Awaken. We are very poor and wretched. Even poverty they mock us. Poverty go look us like this people say poor. Poverty they mock us. as we polish, it is easy. My partner had to the knack. That one, we collect that skills from my partner. You understand? We collect one. You know how to knock, boom, shoot the follow everywhere. But you not get money. Very poor man. Get my point now. We know how to whip, but we not get, we are very poor. You understand? But we get integrity, we not the thief. I'm not how my mom was you. You know. Next time, go and ask. You get my point now. Oh, I got your queer money. Then we have barely how am I not about my man, come over and train on my school. No first go school for me. We still try small. Now me myself, they stagger myself for school. Stagger myself. I struggle myself. My guy there, yeah. Emperor Barassi. You know, Franco Barassi, do it. You know what? My childhood friend with this one. Now my childhood friend, I can say, fast. He know me from house. Now the same street we did. Go ask for some five. For a go. You know me. I know you talk, but I don't know. You don't see where you polish your power, they give it to you. A brother will get money. As of Gomaja. Also, you're Gomaja. I'm one of my Gomaja. I'm one. I got more. Where we are sick, sister Norway, who Yahweh has boiled. Where we are sick, brother, Norway, who Yahweh get boiled. Now, so they train us. This is a joke. Before you go to talk, but work me here. It's still like the other way, across the carol, to look better clean. Now, now you school the phone. I want to who you go back school uniform from bottom. You go put school uniform, you saw the wash ground. Now I do so like that's what I do so. They mention her name. And I use me. He drilled me like somebody. He used me. I still with as house boy. I do so like he did for Ogida. Yeah, it motor, a moppy, a red cashew, cut cashew, you know, beat crest for my body. He may be made level with Zola. I'll bust with bottle. Oh, you do ya who make a power lie. Back of Ogida police station. It's not a joke. You know what for life. You understand me now? I get papa, get mama, where I tell you so not man of the poverty. Up my back, if I listen to carry. I will be a partner. So that my food goes to the young one for grand. Every year, every week, a woman will be a he born die. And twice, don't caliber. And this one, don't caliber. Every week, that's go. We don't even know when they do this. Next year, my letter from my brother arrive. Mama, you should have said, I think you can't no be like okay from up here. That woman born die. You know this? Now, enter our brother, the farm say, I tell you what, where? We not get. You know, they. We are not good minds. Human sympathy do not get. People go need help, not the support. That is the reason why I remain one place. I'm not here say. Me, I'm not to get, but you know the reason why God they bless me. I can never lack. Why I can never lack? Because I they give. Give us never like I believe that will die. And if they work for me. If they work for me, 247. People never they help they do something for this social media. And they collect $1. $1 and they collect. See us, this governor will die for this community. Precious higher there, Papa. Precious higher there carry the matter go give enogie. No get charge €300. They carry the matter go give me. I not collect $1. $1 not collect. I talk and wait it's supposed to be. So they say I not judge for your favor. Because they insult me, they insult the power. They run alive everywhere. They government. You understand? But that same matter, the kind of go give enogie. They charge €300K, €300. They charge it. They're not seeing money pay. In a time, on a young man. Everybody is there where I wake up no. You tell me I hear governor you could deliver no go do. Tell me where God no go bless me. Then I'll take me a pastor when I ask them, do you know now you wanna? They are only with their selfish interest for their children. They like to frustrate that people to make their children inherit their property. Imagine when a community now drag out to the mania. Young boys of yesterday was supposed to go leg walk. They don't come. Someone will not join my fight. Someone will join a year. Someone will join a year. Someone will join Bacana. I don't know the name they call them. Respect of the responsible one. The greater community. You also seek Billy B. Killing themselves for land where they don't know how the land come about the land. They don't have good history about the land. Land of their forefathers. Where they come see. Young Billy B. waiting our children will constitute tomorrow. If we were dead like so, would they born bad? Will be bad like this? What will go born? Our father are good, they born us. We come bad, good, born bad. What's it bad go born? They go born worse. I wonder the next generation how they go be. If they see what they do not good, would they tell them not to become problem? One soon. See, no, say me I'm not gentle. Me I'm not just wear. Because one we're solely here do. I'm you go view on it. And I'm here for now. Now collect what to do. Go on good work you are. Yeah, bina good work you go. Or to you put less sense. Nonsense. Who be the most of the when we no man marry you. You be man will say woman don't die for your hand. Woman don't die for your hand. Oh, we are not engaged with died on timely death. He died on timely death. Sudden death. They go them one. Oh, we are not engaged with who promised to marry you, gave you an engagement in Eastern Africa shop in one corner. Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes. Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes. 50-something years ago, man. Oh man, we all can water. At the end of the day, with the man, RIP, you don't buy. RIP, you don't buy. You see my wife now the day. My wife senior me. I married my wife. They give me respect and I see their life not die. The time when I never marry, I do neck like straw. When I drink most. If you see me, me like as nothing in the day. This man ugly past me. No, I ugly past this man. That's why I never marry. This idahosa, I find man for when me did. That's why I never marry. 2022-23. Imagine as if you will see me, if you just say one frack or top, the person don't die. All those are yellow with the drag me go. All those are yellow bony ashigidi. All those who all of the way they drag me go. If they just see my picture like this, oh, you been for you. You understand? But those days where they talk so, and they carry young ladies so, young girls so, the one where I seen you, you know you dang. And yeah, why we carry you want shine. Yeah, why we carry you want. It's king got dead me you dang. Now I tell you you're gonna have to level. I have ni fatty. He has want to become young. He has Palestine. Oh boy! Wait till I never see for this abroad. When I see my wife, oh look, one of the generation, we not make a go up have no gun base for national peace story. And I go here, I go nowhere. I play. Oh, yeah. In any expo, I go even no more. I go Kevin no more. Eh, Kevin, you say we me oh, oh, no negbi. Oh, no negbi. Eh, Kevin, you go me. Wa so. Won Kevin got to bua. Because whatever no matter what, I want you man. What here, no be, what I go be. Why I get go not go, go. Why I want there. Oh, what I go, no go area. The idea the mayor here saga no go here. Dete me male bu yowa. Ge atale no so so we ge me mu yowa nia. E to na go be phone. I fulfill the talk because you go to feel say as the talk. Now she had the talk to. I engage many of them like that. That's the reason why you see say they will say Frank date 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because why? If I speak, if I drop a context that concern Olosho, the woman where the friend na ashawo, he don't do ashawo, he go the verse for me. He go cause problem between me and she. But I did not mention her name because they are the fuck ashawo. She go verse for me. She not go understand. Okay, don't carry back to come on. Now I go stick that another one again. And I see Olosho. If I say okay, woman to talk there for shrine, in crypto is in Yakpiko, he just shrine. The woman where the friend now, they cut Yakpiko for shrine. She go provoke for me. Voila. He go say no one relationship. I go something will come my own. I don't want problem. I don't want to get back. I don't know. Okay, Arakaosa. All those women will not balance madam. Akaosa women will not balance because of say she said she wrote for madam. She don't balance madam. She go provoke. She go say on the date again. You know the freedom for marriage again. You dey stop people not balance madam. She go come on. Why when they came out over here? Now God said, my son, listen to the voice of the Most High God. A woman is awaiting you, very clean, beautiful, chocolate, sexy, gorgeous. Oh God, it's awaiting you, my son, on your birthday. You're going to receive a gift from a son, from a very young boy. Oh, oh. I said, God, Lord, my Lord, I've heard you. I'm waiting that gift. Now, can we drop gift for me? As he dropped the gift from me, but I said, I know. As the Spirit leads, may God bless my spirit and my soul. He laid me instantly. If not before I was okay, Alpha, I'm going to send me your account, may I bless you. I'm going to me massive account. I just give this motivated flex. I know go there. I don't want to see him. That I said, no, this boy, if he speak this bit like this. The same way as where they put money every month. Anybody will analyze my title. Yes, sober people, this is Baba this man, Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Umenwan, the social media Young, the social media Kobisi. Rule that area, lost Kobisi, but more Baba this man. How many months? And they put 1 million. Who they talking? I'm going to share 10,000, if you talk credit 10,000, 10,000, and they share another every month like that. We don't know for the social media. You know, ask someone, you just do it as a birthday gift for me. As I play the video, I play for social, I still post them. I said, man, this boy. No, this picky. I will see this picky for real life. Now they tracking my man. Hey boy. So I tracking my man. How you still doing? I fine. My brother passed on the use Bible the toast woman and months ago the toast now release. You understand? Now release. I do the toast woman. I go try for us. I see this as I sat there, the first day I see my wife. I don't know something of my wife. Who go back. The man, but spirit just you see this woman fine no more Jesus. See this pino. Oh God. Yours people but just go ask. We do video, shoot video, live video. Let me watch the video now. We dance, we enjoy it. I said, shaky. I always respect myself as a girl, man. Go ask. I didn't get the number. Well, normal level now. How far are you doing? I love you, baby girl. You look beautiful. I cannot sleep without you. Since ever since I set my eyes on you, my heart is making me. Oh God, I keep thinking about you. Oh God, I want to finish my life. Mind you, sweat boy. Mind you, I got girlfriend though. I bet you were there, America. Oh. I want to call her Becky. There. Oh, see, they are there. Plenty. Oh. They plenty you. Me they rap this one. They don't say I don't have any girlfriend. I'm so lonely. You know I don't have girlfriend. Have you ever seen me with girlfriend? Have I posted any girlfriend before? No, just on my own. Hey God, he said no lie you. Hey, oh God, trust me now, guy man. Oh boy, could be my girl. I pray. I turn away. Just say yes. You understand? I got agree now. I see just okay. Let's give it a try. If I don't, I say, see, don't waste no time. I say, just let's give it a try. I they do marriage sharply. Hey God, you don't see what you know, observe. You never check and balance. I want you marry you. That's no level. Say it's too late. I say, just relax. Don't worry me. I'm going to go. You won't steady. That's so marriage takes so because they don't work the money for ground. Maybe we get plan A, get plan B, get plan C, get plan Z. Plan Z. If you be real man with get such, you know, get plan A to plan Z. If you want to work after to this one, that's what like the be. If you focus on your head for one basket, you go run 0 and 0 kobo, you go hang yourself. And they test you this life, as wicked as this life, as a man or a woman, if you position your life for one thing, say, oh, all my life, over you go run 0 and 0 kobo. Who are the core? Oh, Buna. We don't see 99. One can fear 1 year, we not go to why you don't go. That one carry to go river. Go not come. It's for river. No, you or my say. Or so go and rent apartments. To the extent that social media raise money for you to start business at Kausa. We are not good one. When the social media raise you go and ask for a kid. After 20-something years in abroad, you don't get asked to go. Who are Who can go amigo? If I will not let on you in Nigeria, if I will not allow it, go to the we don't amigo Zuana, you don't Zua the view. You don't amigo Puka America, Lion attack about the amigo there. If I don't go in Nigeria or Salua, nonsense man. Dallas. You got your own nonsense in the way. Oviakpe Dallas do Zua. When the car of your I have a governor, he might an elected governor, this only one is Zua. Only man, we are one in diaspora SSSA. Here, why is Zua? No one, apart from my genocide, any foundation. Apart from that genocide, only one is Zua, you only. It doesn't go Zua, say, only one year. I want my page of weakness. But right now, we're up to work, we're up to the office. This is genocide, SSSA to the diaspora matters. What worry boy, man? I'm most again. I'm here. What I was again. Meter was again with them. Oh, no, what I can. Or the fear. Or you can now wear. I want to ask you a question. We not hear God sent foundation again for the Nosagimans. Why you God sent foundation? We know the Nosagi. No, they even give. What I was saying. Oh, la coco, it's a lobo. Or tell me la coco, yo. Domo. If you know, come on, Dobra, Cobra, Domosa, Domo, Cobra, Domosa, Koyasa, Domosa, Bros, Alpha. What's wrong now? Mommy, what here? What call me, bros? Forget our quarter. You call me so you don't get one sleep. I'll give you control. You understand? Domo, Domosa. Then I will have your bus. Don't be like, see, I should not see you sleep. If I call her back, now say, I beg, my brother, I beg. Lao, you want to know, you have why you know, I beg. No, but not 2 years, not go here, I beg. Just give a local 1 room in the sleep, I beg. I beg, I just go beg you. Give him 1 room in the sleep for your ass. I beg. He go run now. Me a bat. He goes, okay, remember, because you are second shaking now, Baba. See, I beg. I just go beg. Just give him 1 room. Stay for your ass. Since they don't frustrate for that. I'll be a cook for say about after I bet you feel join me, we just buy ticket for like go make call out. Every lesson I will do now. We'll bring a cat come out, no buy ticket for like go for Nigeria. No matter what he has to one kid. Why you like go make us? Jesus. If not for Deco, yeah, Belubi at the mafia. Jesus. Ew. Now see the word take food in yourself. Now see the word that take humiliate yourself. He actually respect you. They can never respect you guys because you guys don't get sense. When he actually your own war. Imagine local champion for Nigeria. They do video, they meet you with the American citizen, get passports. You say you security agent for America, a water, a lunatic for Nigeria, a stack literate for Nigeria. They humiliate you. I go. Wow. Me, I go shock now. I swear to God, I go pick them off. Let me look back. The kind of wicked petition I go right against her, I go drag her. We're American citizen. Why okay, we like video. No be disgrace to the diaspora people. Ola koko. Amigo, that's what we are more. And the most of the running were looking. Only were looking was Zua, one corner. It's okay, only has what Geneva. The mafia couldn't let you listen to him. Where my brother go, there I go. Where my brother go, there I go. Where my brother go. Oh, here I go. This politics, this government, a very rugged government. This government, very rugged government. So you will just they give appointment, not too happy. If you get opportunity, zoom on, you run. Because the government now in nowhere. You don't not go school. Anybody with your advice, you take, you ought to pursue you. Go look my brother. Go see my brother. Visa Froster. Eddie. We are sequester. Very soon. Destiny. You go to pick money to follow Esther for party. Okay, God, I go to Leicester. I work for the women. I didn't go to. Okay, God, I go to Leicester. I will when you are talking to the devil, feel that the guest is fast. I tell you, Nyama, see, I do is shining. See you, Bawa. If you see you, Bawa today and yesterday, Jesus. I see him, I shock. I do is shining. If you see you, Bawa, what are the knees? I don't need. I'm a yawa for Benin. There's no one's not like as a video run. Il y a de world, not too wicked. The video run, the right hand pussy, I do is shining. I don't know pack everything the way. I do is shining. You see? Here you go. I do not feel like metal is shining. You don't know it's trying for no pockets. If you watch all these people who say they don't shining, they are all living the GROA. The more feel the GROA. Or they will tell you, one room not in the more feel they will tell you, and the more you want, the more has no house. Oh, this man. Last time I was drinking beer today. I'll go back here. Get off finish my fridge. Go back here. Papa, everybody's life now. You they spend money. Spend your money well, wisely. You get money, spend that well. If you don't get, sew your coat according to your size. So on, you see go to size you. No, they put hand for what you know reach. They follow who don't get. Everywhere. He did it. No, don't make man. Hey, I do. And they won't be saying girls, well, I'm your women, I'm your hotel. Bro. Una where be the women where the must go show pious hotel to. Tell us that your hotel. I they be now. No, don't hear say that the move no. Now one room they give the move for hotel. For pious hotel where they stay. Now they for they do live video. Now that one room for they do live video. Did anybody notice all these years in a hotel the move they stay? Una notice that a hotel the move they stay? No get house. In which they not get house. Yama boy, batai kutu, ero wakulidara, yama. Don't they tell me say I'll come mama for Canada. Mama, how go? Give my friend one room in the stay. Give my friend one room for one of your house for Nigeria. Make it stay. Make it sleep. If not palo, make it the sleep ground for there. Jando. What ye bono mase? Wa we sanga say, oh Gwambera, Edo. You not get asked to Edo. You're a madman, bloody civilian. What about shit? I go and get Edo. You not get asked for Edo when they shout. All the money where the mafia collect for people hands. Go now, go. Ola Coco. APC. Oh, vote. You see when they talk to one another, they pick sense, will not be mugu. I personally told Okpebolo, you pay me before I work for you. That is smart man. Politician. You want to fuck with politicians, they go fuck you up. Politicians go fuck you up. Politics not game. When the game they ought, player cash out. ASAP. If you smart, play the game with them, cash out and move. ASAP. Can any of you communicate to Okpebolo again? No. How many of you want to talk to Okpebolo again? Nobody is not speaking to you guys anymore. You're not communicating with the president. If you call Okpebolo, that number, what they call all of us that time. We now see they communicate with Okpebolo again. Now, President said, the governor said he will help you guys. He will give you guys with a 7%. Why? Any patients. I was war. This is the reason why our country can never be okay. You there abroad, the conference you are far. You can campaign for Okpebolo, now get a platform to raise their voice. Find out good offer. Drop $200,000. It's not $250,000. Drop on, bro. Oh, Sharon. Everybody go campaign. If you win, you win. If you don't win, you're sad. Now money, now government, now God make money. Very simple to mathematics. Drop the money, now block. We should everybody move. Understand? That's what I'm saying. Don't worry. When you work, I'm going to appoint you. When you work, how far? I did build now. He enjoy markets. He busy with how markets. Nonsense. We're not going to talk like someone get sense fast. When somebody bring your idea, give you now. Take follow up like this. We don't know anything. On the way before many years ago, they abroad. Me we don't follow the horse, run things, follow Nigeria people run things. I know they think. That's why I don't see they spend 9 years now for abroad. I know how people politicians in Nigeria. I think here. We follow the do meet that secretary that time. We don't have the reason. As they share and collect your share for yourself. Move. The next day they ask from that one again. That's politics for you. And you only pass. I don't must be okay. Work here to do the doji. When I do yakulo, work here to do the doji. You go later talk, use the platform, your matter, create content, put for your YouTube or your Facebook, make money enter house. Yes, sir. That's what you'll be. You don't go like the truth. I'm going to pretend for myself. Why you go get Nigeria and what's in Nigeria? I full Mumu boys don't get integrity. Who win na clap for one? Who lose na come up for 5? When if na support us when you go down, no go me to buy because I was the bobo, yam. Oh what? Oh there well. I beg me na clap for myself. Me I clap for myself at 2 months. I beg. Why me money people money baby? You were most of the food now. The food now they use sit down the food now because why I felt advice now. Now this is that I say I know they vote for Aswai Godaro. I know they vote for Beru. I know they vote for the two of them. I know they vote for the two of them. Oh yes. Because the two of them no one good. Oh my God. I'll be here with this. And then I'm oh boy. Now, there's somebody that I want to talk to before I end this broadcast. Joy. But that Joy waiting for Italy. The accounts are one of Italy. You know yourself. With Madam Joy and the husband, your attention is needed. You can share this particular part. Go give this woman. Where I want to post the picture down. I want to bring the picture come out. Wait, make I remove this fake pastor picture on my platform. When I see these people, this couple, they did Italy here. Joy and her husband. Osas. Bang. Now attention is needed. Attention is needed with immediate alacrity. You know why I bring that picture come out? I don't want to just come out for the disgrace on social media. You understand? I want to hear on the own side of the story. That's why I bring that picture come out. So now attention is needed. When I call you, go my Facebook. That's Franco Baresi. Franco Afala. So we could know right now that we this woman and this man Joy. When attention is needed. When a matter don't reach my office. When a matter don't reach Mr. Office table. Before I will go further and start disgruntling you people need to call, we can settle this issue amicably. Looking at the see here, see the boy. What you know? Okay. What talk on national peace to reign? So my lovely people, for those of you who know Joy and the husband, where I just show their picture soon. But I tell them, say Frank carry their picture, come out to make their call before water go pass Gary. You understand me now?